Yay!
Pop rocks. What else is in there?
We'll share those. Pop rocks.
Straws.
Horse seeds! Little horse seeds.
What else? Cards.
Awesome! Army. Hey, look, Carlin. We need to share those stuff. No, we don't. Those too.
Cool. Those are cool.
Hey, wait, read this before you open and get more. Hey, this is mine. That's my brother's.
Uh-huh.
Look, Ryan. Open this one.
Ooh, you got a Captain Underpants book. Those are so cool.
I got 5 books.
Whoa.
And this is for whose name starts with the S.
Share. What else did you get?
Dustin.
Stickers?
That's for you. We don't
Oh,
have
Dustin.
to share mine. That's for you. We have the same thing.
There's 2.
This is for me.
Wait. My sheets share.
Hey.
Who has a D, E?
That's me. That's mine.
No, I was going to open it for you.
Show that to me, Harlan. Cool. Harlan. Harlan.
Wait.
Give it to Harlan. Don't open it. Give it to Harlan.
Dustin, look. But there's 2. Blue for you. Cool. Awesome.
Excuse me.
Thank you.
Hey, wait. Is this for
Oh,
you?
I love this.
Or should I save this so I could buy you a football? I'm just kidding.
There's a card for you in there, Dust.
Harlan, what did you do with your box? You didn't even. What did you get?
No,
Look at. You got stickers. Look at.
I got $1,200.
What else? Look at.
My dollars.
Harlan.
My dollars.
I got $1,200.
They are. Your dollars are right here. Your dollars are right here. What else did you get? Get the last thing.
No, I'm not. And
Harlan, here you go.
walking around.
Harlan. Now what do you say to Grandma and Auntie Alex?
Thank you.
All right, Dusty, what do you say to Grandma and Auntie Alex?
Thank you.
Give me a smile.
Thank you. I can't wait till when it's Harlan's birthday. Joey said he's gonna bring daylight.